Hi, this is the Galaxy F34 and I'll show you how to change icon shape with the X-Icon Changer app on this device. So first we should get the X-Icon Changer app from the Play Store. That's why in the search pool So now in the search pool, enter the X-Icon Changer. And now we should get this application. So tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app. And you'll see here all of the available applications, which icons you could change. For example, let's change the phone icon. We could rename this application if you want. Here we got change icon library with different folders with the icons. Also we got here photo from the device gallery, or we could take a picture in camera app. So for example, let's just select one from the similar to phone icons. Tap to OK on the right upper corner. Tap the X icon and click to add. Shortcut the phone added to home screen. We could change next icon by the same way, or to go to the desktop to check our new phone icon. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.